Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you national symbols of Pakistan. This is national flag of Pakistan. National fruit of Pakistan is mango. National flower jasmine. National game hockey. National bird chokor. National river Indus. National dress shalwar kameez. National marine mammal Indus blind dolphin. National language Urdu. National tree deodar. National motto Unity, faith and discipline.